Happy July 4th! Commemorating the holiday in Philadelphia where it all began is a great idea. Many great events are scheduled in Philadelphia for the holiday. Some include the celebration of the Freedom Ceremony or the United States of America Independence Day Parade on Chestnut Street. And don't forget the fireworks scheduled at night on the Ben Franklin Parkway. But if you're staying local like I am, you get to view the fireworks in possibly Ocean City at the 9th Street Bridge, or Atlantic City in the Marina District near Borgata, or even Margate City at the Huntington Avenue Beach. So remember, it is always a good idea before taking any car trip to make sure your vehicle is ready. Getting a flat and being stuck on the side of the road is never fun. Have the tires inspected before venturing on the road. You want to make sure your tires have good tread depth and are not worn, needing replacement. Also, any good trip should be comfortable, so once again, make sure that air conditioning is operating properly. Happy Independence Day! Thank you for watching. Like us on Facebook. Enter any comment you have or give us your plans for the holiday in the comment section below.